Welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy the home tour of Rachell's house. This cottage-style house is welcoming from the entrance because it often features cozy and charming design elements that evoke a sense of warmth and hospitality. The overall aesthetic of a cottage-style house is often quaint and inviting, making guests feel comfortable and at home from the moment they approach the entrance. In the living room, an antique piece of furniture can be a focal point of the cottage style because it adds character, history, and a sense of nostalgia to the space. Cottages are known for their cozy and charming atmosphere, and antique furniture helps create that warm and inviting feel. Additionally, antique pieces often have unique designs and craftsmanship that can stand out in a room and become a conversation piece. The aged patina and worn surfaces of antique furniture also add a sense of authenticity and time-worn beauty to the cottage style, making it feel lived in and full of personality. Overall, incorporating antique furniture into a cottage-style space can help create a sense of charm, comfort, and individuality that is characteristic of this design style. In the dining room, just placing a round table with country-style chairs is cozy and at the same time practical to enjoy the view of the countryside. In the kitchen. Although it looks like a traditional white kitchen, it is the details and finishes that count, such as the baskets, the rug, and the kitchen cutting boards. A white bathroom with traditional white ruffle curtains creates a charming contrast with the wooden pieces such as the countertop, shelf, bench, and basket. Additionally, the curtain rod is covered by a wooden slat. In the bedroom. Highlighting wood in a cottage bedroom can create a warm and cozy atmosphere that is perfect for a relaxing getaway or a peaceful night's sleep. Wood features in a cottage bedroom can add a rustic and natural element to the decor, bringing a sense of the outdoors inside. Wood accents can also add texture and visual interest to the room, creating a cozy and inviting ambience. Additionally, wood is a durable and long-lasting material that can enhance the overall aesthetic of the space, making it a popular choice for cottage-style bedrooms. Overall, highlighting wood in a cottage bedroom can help create a welcoming and charming environment that is perfect for unwinding and enjoying a peaceful retreat.